Alright, next part. It is June 15th, 2023. I'm working on the inking of the drawing. I began in pencil and then added some watercolor wash, orange like ink on the face of the portrait I drew in pencil of one of the 40-something school children who were murdered by the Nazi Luftwaffe Air Forces, which bombed a town and a school in Spain on November 2nd, I believe it was, 1937. There were several hundred fatalities, including 40-something school children and several school teachers. Here's the photograph I'm doing the drawing from. Using a traditional ink drawing here, metal pen point and a plastic pen holder dipped in liquid ink. Waterproof ink, of course. All right, to be continued. I'll video the next part. After this section is done, I'm going to do one or two more drawings of children who were murdered in that Luftwaffe bombing.